नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू एसबीआई सिक्योरिटीज़ मॉर्निंग पॉडकास्ट। इस पॉडकास्ट में हम डिस्कस करेंगे की लेवल्स और बात करेंगे मेन सेक्टर्स के बारे में जो कि फोकस में है। शुरुआत करते हैं ग्लोबल मार्केट अपडेट से। ऑन थर्सडे, टैरिफ रिलेटेड कंसर्न्स ट्रिगर्ड अ सेल ऑफ ऑन वॉल स्ट्रीट with all the major indices closing in the red. The Nasdaq took a heavy hit, tumbling nearly 3% and breaching its 200-day EMA for the first time since October 2023. The S&P 500 slid almost 2%, while the Dow closed lower by 1%. Meanwhile, the Brent crude ended flat after a sharp correction but remains in a bearish trend, trading below key moving averages. The downtrend is expected to continue with Brent likely to test $66 in the short term. The US dollar index touched a low of 103.76 before staging a minor recovery. However, the broader trend remains bearish and the index is expected to test 103.5 in the near term, which is positive for emerging markets like India. Talking about Nifty's view on the weekly expiry day, Nifty opened on a strong note with a gap up start, but it struggled to sustain at higher levels. The index faced selling pressure early on, leading to a sharp correction of over 240 points within the first hour of trade. It registered an intraday low of 22,245.85 before witnessing a remarkable recovery, ultimately closing near the 22,550 mark with a gain of nearly 1%. This price action resulted in the formation of bullish candle with a long lower shadow, highlighting strong buying interest at lower levels. The extended lower week reflects the bulls stepping in to observe the selling pressure and defend key support zones. Additionally, the daily RSI has surged above the 40 mark and continues to trend higher, indicating improving momentum and strengthening market sentiment. Going ahead, 22,650 to 22,670 का जोन एक इमीडिएट हर्डल का काम करेगा इंडेक्स के लिए। अगर इंडेक्स 22,670 के लेवल के ऊपर सस्टेन करता है तो हम 22,850 लेवल तक एक पुल बैक रैली विटनेस कर सकते हैं, फॉलोड बाय 23,000 इन दी शॉर्ट टर्म। वाइल ऑन द डाउन साइड द सपोर्ट जो है वो हायर शिफ्ट हो गया इन द जोन ऑफ 22,400 टू 22,370 लेवल. On the derivatives front, the March future surged by 0.80%, while the combined open interest for the current, next, and far series also surged by 1.48%, which indicates an overall long build-up. The 22,600 strike has a significant call open interest, followed by the 22,800 strike. On the put side, 22,500 has a substantial open interest, followed by the 22,400 strike. For the current weekly series, OIPCR is at 1.27, while for the monthly series, it is at 1.01. Talking about Bank Nifty has been underperforming the frontline indices from the last four trading sessions. On Thursday, it ended above the 48,600 level with a gain of 0.28%. Going ahead, Bank Nifty का 20-day EMA zone 48,800 to 48,900 एक crucial hurdle की तरह एक्ट करेगा इंडेक्स के लिए। वाइल डाउन साइड पर जो 48,400 टू 48,300 का जोन है वो एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट का काम करेगा बैंक निफ्टी के लिए. Talking about Sensex view, the benchmark index Sensex also witnessed a strong pullback of over 900 points after testing the intraday low of 73,416 level. On a daily scale, it has formed a dragonfly doji candlestick pattern which indicates buying interest at lower levels. गोइंग अहेड सेंसेक्स के लिए जो 74,700 टू 74,800 का जो जोन है वो एक क्रूशियल हर्डल की तरह काम करेगा. वाइल अगर डाउन साइड पे देखा जाए तो 73,700 टू 73,600 का जो जोन है वो एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट का काम करेगा सेंसेक्स के लिए. On the derivative front, the weekly future surged by 0.61% and the open interest of the current series has also surged by over 24%, which indicates an overall long build-up. The 74,500 strike has a significant call open interest, followed by the 75,000 strike. On the put side, the 74,000 has a substantial open interest, followed by the 73,500 strike. For the weekly series, OIPCR is at 1.38. Talking about the key market indicators, the volatility index India VIX is trading in a narrow range of 12.91 to 14.36 levels since last couple of trading sessions. Currently, it is trading below its short and long-term moving averages. Going ahead, the zone of 14.7 to 15 will act as an immediate hurdle for the index. The advance decline ratio largely tilted in the favor of advances. अगर हम key sectors की बात करें तो Nifty PSE and Nifty CPSE index have given a double bottom pattern breakout on a daily scale, and hence we believe they are likely to outperform in the short term. Apart from this, Nifty Metal and Nifty Financial Services are likely to continue their outperformance in the short term. Now, talking about the FI/DI data, the FI is sold to the tune of 2,377 crores, while the DI is bought to the tune of 1,617 crores. The FI's long short ratio for index futures is at 18.49, as on a net basis, they sold 25,007 index futures. So that's a wrap of today's edition of podcast. Thank you for listening. Do tune in tomorrow for more such market updates and insights.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.